In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download your WhatsApp voice notes on your PC or on your mobile. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in your WhatsApp on PC, and once it's logged in, you'll want to come to the voice note and right click on it. And as soon as you right click, you should see the option to save. You can save your voice note and it becomes available on your PC like this. As soon as you save the voice note, you get an OPUS file, and I'm going to show you how you can convert this OPUS file to MP3 using CapCut. So what you want to do is to come to CapCut, and then you want to click on this cloud icon to import your voice note. You can as well come to where your voice note is and have it dragged in to CapCut. And once you do that, it comes on the timeline. So right on the timeline, you want to fine-tune your MP3, do all the necessary editing if there's a need for that. And once that's done, come to the top right corner of the screen here and click on export. And then you'd want to untick this. We're not exporting as video this time, but rather as audio. So go ahead and click on audio, and you want to select the format, MP3 just fine, and go ahead to click on export. Alright, so your voice note has been exported as MP3. So that's how to basically convert your WhatsApp voice note in OPUS file to MP3 using CapCut easily. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.